in this video, we are going to look at how to use sampled softmax loss in TensorFlow. How do we calculate it? And for that, I've created these examples where we have the uh, tensor for weights, then we have tensor for bias, labels, inputs, and then we have generated sample values. So all of these we are going to input it to the tf.nn dot sampled underscore softmax underscore loss as we see here in the docs. So in the docs we have all of these values, and the rest of them they are refilled except for the sampled values. We are going to leave the others as is. And so once we put all the values, so weights we have bias, and then labels we are using the tf.expand dims labels, and then for inputs we have the inputs number sampled, number classes that we have specified here 2 and 3, and then the sampled value. So when we run this, we get here in the output, which is the sampled softmax loss. If you have any questions or comments, please do let me know in the comment section below. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.